Woo! That's like a new lake.
Maybe never.
We have a lake. Let's go swimming.
Not again.
Not again.
We have 4 lakes.
I'm like at least half dry, a quarter dry.
There's more than 4 lakes in Yorkton now. Like on the streets even.
Yeah, there's like.
That's probably deep.
Yeah, that's fucking deep.
The mall looks kind of fun.
Hear the geese now. Hey guys, look what we got.
That water's not bad down there no more.
The hojo here could be a little water damage too.
What time is it?
Mm.
9:15.
Oh.
Is it really?
I'm gonna die over here.
Austin pizza.
This is why I love living in Yorkton. A lot of fun stuff happens here.
Like major flooding.
Contaminated water.
I love Yorkton. I'm never leaving Yorkton.
Which is awesome. Like people say it's crap.
Like, yeah, sometimes it's boring. You have nothing to do. But when something fun like this happens,
Some tragedy.
What happens in Yorkton this weather?
yeah.
Yorkton has the worst weather you can ever think of.
And the only reason why water just lands its face here is because we're lower than most places in Saskatchewan.
So we lose a McDonald's for flooding.
You don't work there anymore. Why are you crying?
I want a burger.
Go to A&W. They're better.
You supper last night.
Yeah, mixology.
McSoggy dicks.
It's McSoggy Sticks.
Dicks.
Sticks.
McDicks. Let's go to
McDonald's good.
McDicks. What is
It's
it?
mixed sticks.
They're closed down.
That's still works. Right?
And that's like the main hangout spot for everybody in McDicks.
Yeah.
No, it's A&W.
7-Eleven even.
Yeah.
No, I ain't McDonald's. Not for a while. It's got a big kettle there. There's a big water.
And
I don't care. I'm gonna sit there.
I like
I went too with a water booth.
Dairy Queen's the best.
What are you talking about?
They got blizzards there.
So?
It's double fudge cookie dough.
Oh, they cleaned this up here.
I love that. Like, oh.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure, dumb
That's
stuff.
the only blizzard I ever had.
They cleaned up that court's not there no
Guess
more.
what? One bay's flooded. There's a bay that's looking flooded.
Yeah.
Over there, like when you go down, there's a bay flooded.
Yeah, there's like a park that's over here flood.
No, I want to go down there, but it's fine.
Oh, shut up.
We don't have basements. We just have like.
Are we at the apartment?
No.
No, we're jumping.
To your right though, we walked over here and it's all flooded. Like there's like the whole entire streets are like gone.
Yeah, I went walking around and there's some guy
That
just
bay's flooded.
took a picture of me randomly.
You mean the
with his
right
cell
bay.
phone.
Right bay, no left one.
I can't tell. I'm like confused with my right and left now.
It depends on which way you drive.
What if Josh at my house?
I think he is.
I'd lie.
Fair off from here to our home. I'll go down after a little car. Yeah, that'd be interesting. Drive around about a little tiny car.
Are we waiting for you or are you gonna just walk over?
You don't have to wait for me. I'll give a ride after.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Aaron.
Am I supposed to be scared now?
Oh, not bad. Let's see. Here,
Oh.
wipe it. Not bad.
Here,
Wipe it.
Move your ass.
Yeah, that.
He violated me again. That's
Shut up.
crazy. I 3 times today,
That
Aaron.
wasn't that bad,
Aaron.
I'm sorry. I
Bye, Aaron.
Get out.
Harassment.
Okay, let's buckle up now.
Yeah.
Nah.
Do the safety rules here.
Nah.
CJ.
I'm gonna die. I'll go through your windshield.
No words need to be said, right?
Ugh, my bag's heavy. Okay, I'm still videotaping this. You know I can't really see that well. So see
You're
right.
gonna have a race mark.
Okay, so I won't go down by the hospital because that's blocked off. So I'll go back up on the highway, go up by Humpies, and then come down.
You go back down on King Street or whatever it is.
Allenbrook.
Yeah.
I was thinking King Street, Queen Street, and then
When you go up to Humpies and you turn out that way, I think that's actually Queen Street.
Really? I thought it was Highway 10.
Actually, no, I think it's the classed as Queen Street.
You can only go 90 on that one. This is the best night ever.
No,
I
it's
know.
not.
This is the best night we've ever had.
Not yet.
Oh. Creepy.
Yeah, Aaron's gonna have fun if he's walking through there.
Aaron, not Errol.
Aaron.
She did say Aaron.
She did say it.
Sound like she said Errol. I don't know why. No, I'm sitting
Are
here.
you want to call him Ariel?
I did. You did.
Do it.
And then we'll get him a red long wig, and then we'll get him a mermaid tail.
Yeah, have you been doing acid or estes?
CJ can name all the jokes, I swear.
Well, you can name them all as long as he doesn't do them all.
Oh, that's a first. You deserve that one. Ow!
That was there for payback.
Never get me for payback.
And this one is supposed to find it.
Don't you just love your son, Mom?
Yes, I do.
I thought
Yeah, I
Jeremy's
couldn't
oldest
even got-
brother. They drove right down past the tape. Like, people were lifting up and going through.
I should start naming
Yeah,
them.
yeah, we've seen one actually since they created take it off the Broadway and she went right underneath it.
Yeah. I know Jeremy's, like, older brother did that.
Isn't that the guy that stuck the tacos?
Yeah.
Truck?
Yeah, in the truck and in the
I
back.
wonder if that's the reason why that person
What?
flooded down here.
Might have been.
Well, the one guy's car we pushed out, he tried starting his engine and he couldn't because it was too wet, but we still pushed him out.
Yeah.
So it actually drained.
I went to the window, I'm like, do you need help? Do you need us to push you out? Like, we have nothing to do.
Yeah, I see that.
Oh, look, another lake. I wonder how farmers are doing now.
No kidding.
They're screwed. If they didn't start, they're done.
Oh, yeah, they're screwed.
Wait till next year. They'll
Oh.
have no over again.
Yeah, that just means this winter we have higher grocery prices and higher gas prices.
What?
Oh, God.
Our farmers can't do good here in crops. Our prices go up.
Oh, that's gonna suck.
Oh, we brought food along, just to let you know.
Yeah, I took food from my mom.
Hey, I can bring a pop bite.
What?
Pop bite. And stand up and testing. Huwag damang gapa.
Oh, yeah.
With some cupcakes.
Birthday cupcakes.
Even though my birthday was a couple of weeks ago.
What did Grandma get you for your birthday?
She gave me the money for the Sims game.
Yeah, but she also brought cupcakes today.
Yeah.
Whoa. That's a big truck.
No touchy. Stay away.
Did you bring them?
Oh, look, another one.
Really
nice.
I wonder if the lake's like right now.
Yeah.
It's screwed.
I wonder how all the lakes are. I bet they're flooded. My cousin said it's pouring out.
You're gonna turn right up here.
Well, probably because fucking on phone that way. Probably is hot, right?
Yeah, north that way.
Yeah.
Popsicle?
And that's the dark house.
My mom does. I actually kind of miss Chance, you know. Waking up in the morning knowing that there's someone else there to like keep me company. I don't like it. I don't like it when.
Too quiet this morning?
Yeah, I like it when better he's there.
I like it. I like it.
You want? I can come.
Reminds
No,
me
I
of
can't. I
Silent
got the
Night.
Unless you want to come stay with me.
Yeah.
Here, Mother.
I like it.
Oh, I have one.
Oh, you should say the baseball diamonds too.
Oh,
Over
yeah.
by Aaron's,
It's flooded.
they're gone.
Toast.
There's orange water.
Oh my God.
People are going to be up all night just unflooding the street.
Working overtime.
No, they'll be taking a break. They'll have shifts.
Poor people that like the clocks
Yeah.
and like that weren't supposed to be working tonight.
Yeah, they're working.
Yeah.
Big duty.
What?
They're
Or
working.
this street was
Yeah.
completely covered.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it was.
Where did all the water go?
Down Storm Green, downhill.
Oh.
See, I get those things.
Good to live on a hill.
Yeah.
Once in a while. Hey, listen, Jug.